Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing the trunk failure step by step. Check the 6V12V battery voltage before any electrical diagnosis because low voltage prevents the actuator from operating. Inspect the latch and striker visually for misalignment or damage that could stop mechanical closure. Verify the trunk actuator connector is seated and free of corrosion, and wiggle it while watching the latch operation. If the connector shows green or brown corrosion, plan to clean or replace it. Note any unusual noises or intermittent operation during this inspection. For mechanical issues, adjust alignment and lubricate moving parts. Loosen the 10 mm striker nut and shift the striker a few millimeters to improve alignment so the latch mates cleanly. Red-eye-tin securely after testing. Lubricate the latch mechanism with a small amount of dielectric grease to reduce friction and prevent corrosion. Avoid heavy oils that attract dirt. Confirm the trunk closes and latches smoothly after adjustments, cycling it 10 times to ensure consistent operation. If the latch still binds, inspect the trunk lid hinge and rubber stops for wear or obstruction. When electrical faults persist, perform a controlled reset and test the actuator. Disconnect the 12V battery for 10 minutes to perform a hard electrical reset. This clears body controller faults and can restore trunk function. If the latch still fails, unplug the actuator connector and apply 12V directly to the actuator to confirm actuator operation. Reverse polarity to test both directions briefly. Reconnect everything and retest trunk operation from the key fob, screen, and interior button. If intermittent faults persist, perform a full vehicle reboot and document fault messages before replacing parts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.